Okay guys, so here I am. I got lost way over there somewhere. And now I'm on the bike. And I'm trying to get back to Kakamenstraat 11. So I stopped and these nice ladies helped me. And now I know where I am because I got lost a couple days ago. And now I recognize the pathway from when I got lost like 2 days ago. So it's always good to get lost. Or that's what I tell myself. So here we go, guys. Let's see if I can hold the camera. Okay, of course, there's cars coming now, and I want to ride the bike. Okay, here we go. Almost there, about 5 minutes away, and we'll be there. Yeah. I'm trying to move over this camera with one hand and not fall with the other one. Interesting, very interesting. But this is Lebbeke here. So that's PF Denier Street. Misdirection Street. Stop for the pass. Okay guys, sorry about that. I had to stop because it was traffic. It was a cross street, 2 cross streets. So this is a little I guess this is someone's lawn. Ugh, the bugs. You see it's a lot of traffic here. And there's really no bike path. So yeah, see behind me too. So usually people just walk their bikes. Okay guys, so we're out here in the middle of somewhere in Belgium. Here we are in the Flemish side. Oh, and we got lost, of course, trying to go to the Kola route. We wrote the directions down here, but of course we couldn't find it. So we're just going to stop here, grab some bread. They have these little bread shops on the side of the road. So literally on the side of the road here. And we're just going to get bread and have peanut butter tonight. But as always, we got lost, but we have to show you the good with the bad. So here's Tuesday Travels with Timbo and Pumpkin Pool. Give us a lovely face, Pumpkin Pool. Okay, that's nice. Goodbye, y'all. Ciao for now. Bye. And we have our bread. Yay! Happy now, Mama?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trying to get back.
I know, me too.